This episode of Total Drama contains scenes of extreme stunts performed by animated teens. Do not try any of what you see here at home. Seriously, you can get really messed up. Previously on Total Drama Revenge of the Island. I took some time off for personal reasons that I'd rather not discuss. Hey, who edited that in there? Not funny, guys. Okay, that's better. Chef led the final 4 players in a revolting cook-off, which resulted in Cameron upchucking 80% of his insides. Meanwhile, Zoe channeled her inner warrior, transforming into Commando Zoe! Even Chef was scared. Lightning's plan to use Cameron backfired, giving Cam the win. And a scheming Scott schemed his last scheme and was voted out to sea. Which leads us to... What? Hey! No! No! Not funny! That editor is so fired. 10 players down, 3 to go. Only 2 will move on to the final round. Who will be left standing? Find out right now on Total Drama Revenge of the Island.
The mom and dad, I'm doing fine. You guys are on my mind. You asked me what I wanted to be, and now I think the answer is plain to see. I wanna be famous. I wanna live close to the sun. Oh, pack your bags, cause I've already won. Everything to prove, nothing in my way. I'll get there one day. Cause I wanna be famous. Na 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 na. I wanna be famous. I wanna be famous.
Ooh, yeah, you want some more? Come on, how's that? How about this, smart guy?
I still can't believe I won the last challenge, but the way Lightning's taking it, I sort of wish I hadn't.
Hello, my name is Cameron, and I'm a sneaky challenge stealer. I made this Cameron-looking punching bag to give me extra motivation. What's that? You want me to punch you again? Shabam!
Lightning is furious at me for winning the last immunity. He's focused all his energy on pumping iron and psyching me out. Me! The guy who gets psyched out by feathers and big drinking cups. Are you even listening to me?
You know what you gotta do?
Start backing away from you quietly?
You gotta grab your fear by the throat and throttle it into courage.
Courage?
The thing that can turn a passive small-town teen who sews her own clothes into a hardened extermination machine. Besides, whatever Lightning's thinking can't be that bad.
Oh, he's gonna eat me alive. I know it. It's like he's chewing my soul.
Easy, little guy. We are going to take Lightning out. 2-on-1, no mercy.
Yeah?
No pity.
Yeah.
No prisoners.
Yeah. It's gonna be a friendship finale. Don't leave me hanging. Ow! What happened to Zoe? No big deal. As long as she protects me from Lightning.
Endgame is near. Bottom of the ninth. Bases are loaded. Entering the storm corridor now. And it is time for the Lightning to strike. Shabam!
Finalists! Welcome to the Mutant Forest of Terror! Oh yeah, watch your step. Biohazardous sinkhole. They put the mutant in Mutant Forest of Terror.
Oh, thanks, teammate.
They're also where Chef gets his toxic marshmallows of loserdom. One of you gets to eat that later.
Ain't gonna be lightning. I got the strength of a bear and the speed of a cheetah flying a jumbo jet.
In the brain of a jellyfish.
The challenge. Race through the mutant forest to find the elusive chrysalis flower. First player to present it to me wins immunity.
Which means they get to pick who to take with them to the grand finale.
Yeah, thanks for doing my job, Pillowface.
Wait, flower picking? I thought this was a challenge, not a tea party.
Oh, it's a challenge. Move a little to your left for me, would ya? Your other left. This place is full of those pretty little tea party flowers. But the flower you're looking for is attached to a very special plant, a Venus flytrap, or as I like to call them, Larry.
Dianea muscipula. They eat meat.
Ha! Then I guess you're safe, pipe cleaner.
Yeah, 'cause it'll be too busy eating your big chewy head.
Rah!
Walk away, steak for brains.
Whoa there. Save the insults for when you're in the forest and probably on fire. It's funnier for us that way. Find Larry and you find the flower. Oh, and watch your step. Those sinkholes are everywhere.
Whoa!
Wait for it. See ya, Josh. Enjoy your new job at the circus.
Question, how are we supposed to find this Larry?
Ah, I see. We each get a map.
No. You each get a piece of the map. You think printer cartridges grow on trees? You can work together, or...
Shabba-bye, suckers!
Or you can go it alone.
Okay, here's the path. But Lightning must have the final location on his piece. So we follow our maps until the trail runs out.
And then let my warrior instincts take over. Let's roll. And watch out for those sinkholes.
No problem. I noticed they send a jet of steam when stepped on, thus creating a hole one could fall through if not paying attention. Wow, you've become very strong too.
It was like lifting a doll.
I weigh more than a doll.
Oh. Game plan? Darn right Lightning has a game plan. My map has the end zone, so I'm just gonna power through till I see a giant X. Ah, this'll be easy. Yeah! Victory! Woo! No X? Where am I? Lousy nature, all looks the same. Stupid freaks! Ooh! Like I'm scared of a weird flower and his loser fly buddy.
Zoe, are you okay? You don't seem quite yourself.
End of the trail. Warrior instincts, don't fail me now.
Take that! Ah! And that! Ah!
The map! Yes! I need that piece!
You mean we need it, right? Right?
I love Cam, but he's such a word nerd. I, we, you, me. What does it matter? We're on the same team, right?
Hello? Zoe? Need clarification here. My, what impressive eyes you have. So many photoreceptors. I didn't mean it like that.
Hold on! Thanks! See you at the dock of shame, sucker! Shoot! Shoot, fly, shoot!
Sweet relief. That was no way to experience a first kiss. Thanks for the save.
Cam, Lightning has the whole map and you're hiding from a housefly?
A, that fly was as big as a house, and B, Lightning has our maps? So while I'm being hit on by a giant mutant fly, she gave Meatball Hold to Spaghetti the entire map?
Now that Lightning's got all of the maps, he's holding all of the cards. This game is in the shebag, just like Lightning's gonna win. First thing Lightning's gonna buy with his $1 million? A $1 million trophy! And nothing can stop me. This map doesn't make any sense.
Well, how do we find Larry now?
Larry is a Venus flytrap. They're found in nitrogen-poor environments like wet bogs.
There was a bog on the map, just northeast of us. Is it just me, or am I doing everything while Cameron acts as mutant bait?
Okay, according to this map, I just have a few more feet to go. There.
Are you sure this is the right way? The bog!
That plant must be around here somewhere. Larry.
It's huge!
No, he's colossal. Will Cameron and Zoe live long enough to pick that flower? And where the heck is Lightning? Find out when we return on Total Drama Revenge of the Island. Ah, Larry. He used to be such a sweet, cuddly little guy. We were inseparable until I left him on the island and kind of forgot about him for a few years while the toxic waste piled up, mutating him into a freakish botanical mistake. They grow up so fast.
I knew coming back to the island would dig up old memories, but crying over a stupid plant? That's just pathetic.
Let's see. 5 more dashes this way, and over this squiggle, I should be...
Think so. How am I gonna get that flower?
We could hop across on the stepping stones.
Yeah. Stand back. I'm on it. What the? Whoa! 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 Stepping stones, huh? I got my eye on you, Cam. Friendship finale? My butt!
Zoe, I swear, I didn't know it was a really grumpy mutant turtle.
Booyah! First! What? How did you two... Ugh, stupid map! This game ain't over yet! Yes! Hey, Zeros! Watch and weep at the hero!
It ate Lightning like he was snack-sized.
Guess he's not a picky eater.
Let me out, you overgrown fern!
What do you know? That big mutant does have taste.
So this is what hot dogs feel like.
Cam! The flower! Let's grab it!
But Larry, he's so big and carnivorous. And oh, sweet mother of pearl, he's looking at me like I'm dessert.
Snap out of it! You gotta dig deep and find your inner warrior. I need that flower.
You mean we need that flower, we?
That's what I said!
Fine. Okay, from what just happened to Lightning, that flower must be Larry's bite sensor. Problem is, there's no way to grab the flower and clear his mouth fast enough.
I got a plan.
Zoe, for the record, I don't like this plan.
You don't have to like it. Now focus, Cameron. It's all about teamwork.
Teamwork, as in I'll stand over here and help you get turned into mutant plant food.
Like I'm gonna let Cameron lower me down. My pet hamster, Miss Puffy Cheeks, is stronger than he is.
I must be allergic to mutant pollen. On second thought, I don't even like flowers or winning. Achoo!
Come on, Cameron! Eye of the tiger!
Mark this flower the property of lightning.
Way to let lightning take the flower!
Way to almost drop me into the plant so I'd get chomped on purpose. So, are we still a team?
Why wouldn't we be? Cam may be as effective in battle as a noodle, but he did help me find Larry. Us. Wow, I really am doing that a lot.
Touchdown imminent. Nothing can stop the lightning from striking now. Ah! What? How do you get here? Nobody said you had feet. Ah!
Yoink yourself!
Girl, get back here with my flower. Whoa! That girl is so toast when I get out of here. Ah! Oh, my biscuit.
Cam! Catch!
Got it! Sorry!
Throw me the flower! I'm open! Cam! Larry's gaining on you!
Take your time, Cam. Larry hasn't had a decent meal since I stopped feeding him 3 years ago. Poor guy must be famished.
Cam! Pass it here! I can win this!
You can win this and vote me off? No way! Friendship finale, more like frenemy finale.
You're welcome, Larry.
Sorry, Cam! No time for chit-chat!
Help! Zoe!
Cameron?
Zoe!
I should leave him. He'll just get in the way of me winning that $1 million prize. I've been watching Total Drama forever. Who knows, maybe I'll even make some new friends. You can do it, Cam! Focus!
Next one, Zoe.
Thanks! Good luck, Cam!
Thanks, Zoe. Which means they get to pick who to take with them to the grand finale.
But no amount of money will buy a true friend. I'm coming to save you, Cam! Hey, Bog Breath! Get ready for a small-town smackdown! Spit us out, you overgrown fly swatter!
Man, I should totally do something. Don't worry, lightning's coming for you. Shababa! The finish line!
Hurry up! Come on, Larry! He's almost made it!
Ah! Ah!
Lightning for the win! Larry, buddy, look what I rescued for you. Who's a good man-eating plant? Larry's a good man-eating plant. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Dude, that's seriously messed up.
Oh! Cam?
Thanks, Zoe.
Well, it's pretty cool we made it to the final 3.
Yeah, it's too bad one of us has to go.
Hey, buddy, cheer up. No matter what happens, we still have our friendship.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Who's to stay and who's to go? If you holler means you're gone, I'm the best. So don't be late.
That last part didn't even rhyme.
Elimination time! Lightning! By refusing to help rescue a fellow player from the jaws of a monster,
Yeah, baby.
you've secured yourself a place in the finale. And you get to choose your opponent in said finale.
Sweet meat. The Lightning is not surprised at his win.
Who will get the hurl of shame? Will it be Zoe, the formerly savage commando? Or will it be...
Me. It will be me.
Cameron?
Yes. Today, I mistrusted the very person who tried to save my life. A person who taught me the true meaning of friendship.
Cam? Yeah, that's nice and all, but it's not your choice.
No, it's my time. I know it, and I embrace it. I entered this competition a boy in a bubble, but I will return home a man in a bubble. Chris, you may hurl when ready.
Actually, I'm hurling Zoe.
What? But Zoe's a more worthy opponent.
Yep, that's why she's gone. I'm taking you to the finals so I can eat you alive.
Bon appetit and bon voyage! Whoops! She forgot her toxic marshmallow of loserdom. Oh well. Chef, dispose of it so it's not dangerous. Well, I for one am relieved. Having Cam and Zoe compete for the million would have been a friendly, huggy snooze fest.
Oh, there will be no snoozing. And definitely no hugging.
Yep, just unrelenting, death-defying brains versus brawn Mortal Kombat. Next time on the epic final round of Total Drama Revenge of the Island.